I want to share a quick MyFitnessPal macro tracking hack with you guys. So pull up the recipe that you're going to be making. Here, this is the faster way recipe, and it has the ingredients, the directions, and the macros all the way at the bottom. Then pull up MyFitnessPal, add food, and instead of adding each individual line of that recipe, normally you would add in all of those ingredients, and it can take some time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type in fat macro. It's gonna come up with 1 gram of fat macro, but you're gonna change that to whatever is in your recipe. So here we are, it is 9 grams of fat. Next, we're gonna do protein macro. And then we're gonna change that. This recipe has 27 grams of protein. And then the last one is carb macro. And then this has 72 grams. It has a decent amount here. 72 grams of carbs. And there you go. No searching around. It only took a few seconds, and you have your whole breakfast loaded in. Let me know if this was helpful.